Emperor OS, an all-in-one Linux-based operating system for programming, developing, and data science. The aim was to provide, design, develop and customize Emperor OS to be free and useful for normal and professional users. Emperor OS has over 200 apps and important tools which are all in one ISO for programming and data science. It is a complete Linux operating system that is customized to run from CD, USB flash drive, hard drive, or other bootable storage medias. It comes in 64-bit ISO and has 5 desktops. It also supports several programming languages and developing tools. It is distributed as a live ISO image and can also be installed in your computer. Emperor OS Linux is a non-commercial, special-purpose Linux distribution designed for beginner and power users who appreciate working with programming, developing, big data and data analysis tools. It comes with many tools for both programming and desktop users. In addition, it has a customized grub boot menu with 2 kernel release, Plymouth theme, customized login window with 5 selective desktop to login and default username and password. Also, it has quick Emperor panel, quick run app menu to search your app, beautiful Cairo dock and Conky theme, 5 pre-installed and pre-configured desktops, XFCE, LXDE, OpenBox, KDE Plasma, Mate. It has 3 browsers for the web, 2 groups of developing tools, fun games, many graphic tools and file managers, and you can manage emails, rip CDs and watch video, play music, burn CDs and DVDs, manage and organize pictures. It also includes the WPS Office, which allows you to write letters, do spreadsheets, drawings, and slide presentations. It has many settings and accessories. Everything you can do with other operating systems, you can do in Emperor OS. The project developer is Hossein Silani. See you next video, and now some music.
Climbers to the peak of desolation, warfare victims of commercial crime. We are event horizon in continuous incarnation, clearing our existence on the very edge of time. Burning down our legacy, we're just burning down our legacy. Blowing up our history, creating headroom in our mind to have a glance of destiny. looking down